Today, we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you have been wondering about, PocketGuard. Now, I've been using PocketGuard for a few months now, and while it's been helpful in some ways, it's not without its drawbacks. So, let's get right into it. What are the cons of using PocketGuard? Con 1. Limited customization. One of the biggest downsides I've found with PocketGuard is its limited customization options. While it's great that it automatically categorizes your transactions, sometimes it doesn't get it quite right. And when it comes to setting up budgets or tracking specific goals, the options are somewhat limited. Con 2. Occasional sync issues. Another issue I've run into is occasional sync problems. Sometimes, my transactions won't sync properly, leading to inaccurate balances and budget projections. This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to stay on top of your finances. Con 3. No investment tracking. If you're someone who invests, PocketGuard might not be the best option for you. It doesn't have any features for tracking your investments, which can be a major drawback if you're trying to get a complete picture of your financial health. Con 4. Steep learning curve. While PocketGuard is generally easy to use, there's a bit of a learning curve involved. If you're not tech-savvy, you might find it a bit overwhelming at first. Plus, the app can be a bit cluttered, which can make it difficult to navigate. Con 5. No support for multiple currencies. If you travel a lot or deal with multiple currencies, PocketGuard might not be the best choice. It doesn't support multiple currencies, which can make it difficult to track your spending and budgeting. So, there you have it, the cons of using PocketGuard. While it's a useful tool for some people, it's definitely not perfect. If you're looking for a more customizable app with advanced features, you might want to consider other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.